Recently, I faced a very big issue at my home that I lost my water purifier. Not lost, but it got spoiled. So I was struggling a bit to make my coffee, getting the instant cold water and all those things related to water. So what I did my research. I found a very nice water purifier in the market, which is from EuropAce, as you guys can see. This specific model is EWP 9120D. So this is a tankless water purifier, and then this one have the hot and cold water instant refrigerator. It has the leak-proof technology and is also energy saving, made in Korea. That's very important because of the reliability. This is all the things we're going to talk about, and then I'll take you guys through the specifications and feature about it, and what I like about it and what things I don't like about it. I must mention that when I approached EuropAce, they kindly provided me this water purifier, but whatever I'll be saying, all my own opinion, so they have no say into it. Starting with the installation process, the service team which they had, it was quite fast. I think the day I have talked to them, and I think next day the technician called me and they came down and they installed it very fast. So within like less than 30 minutes it was already done. So before I put this on the test and share with you guys all the functionalities, just hear a little bit of the specifications and features first. Starting with the core tech, this water purifier uses a tankless design that pairs an instantaneous hot water module with thermoelectric cooling. In terms of control, you have 5 temperature presets available, covering 8-degree cold water, room temperature at 25, and 3 hot settings at 41, 85, and 91 degrees Celsius. For dispensing, it gives you 4 volume options ranging from 120 ml up to a full 1 liter pour. The chassis itself is made in South Korea and is fairly narrow, measuring just 165 mm wide by 495 mm deep, with a total gross weight of 13.2 kg only. Finally, the power consumption is rated at 2500 watts for heating, while the internal filter has a recommended replacement cycle of every 6 months. So we have some functionalities here. We have a cold water, we have a volume selector, we can select the volume, we have a room temperature, hot water, and of course we have the sanitize option here. So what happens here, for the volume we have 4 presets: 120 ml, 250 ml, 500, and of course we can pour up to 1 liter of water here. And the cold water, if you guys can see, if I just, let's say 120 ml, you just press this and it's very fast, and you can see the pressure, how good it is, and it does a very good job. And then same way, if I go to the room one, just pour the water and you get a very nice stream of water here. But then of course when it comes to the hot water here, there's a safety feature. You have to hold it for 3 seconds. So what you do is actually you can have a warm water, hot water, and hot water plus, which is very, very hot. You can just hold it just like this for 3 seconds. There we go. And if you want to change this, you can actually choose it from here. You can see you can go from warm water, hot water, and hot water plus. So let's choose the warm water and you will dispense accordingly. So this is the time you have to wait, like a few seconds only, and then start pouring. Remember, you don't get the full stream, so it comes in a slower pressure. There's one more thing I want to talk about. This functionality here is sanitize. What this does, if I press sanitize, it will remove the water from the tanks and it will pour it out, and then it will refill with the new water. So this one usually you can do, like for example, if you're not using a purifier for longer. So if you want a fresh water, you can utilize this functionality, though there's the filtration and everything, but this is always a good practice to do. So I'm doing it usually once in a week time. If you press and hold for 5 seconds to sanitize it, so it starts from the 100% and you have to wait until it pour out all the water. That's why there are 2 outlets at the back. So one is especially for the sanitization, so whole thing is going directly in the drain and it will refill with the new water. Okay, so now the most important part is about filters. Okay, so first of all I want to show you how easy it is. Usually the traditional water purifiers, they have, my previous one I can give you example, filters were inside. You have to unscrew everything from here to take out the filters and change the filters. But this one is quite easy to do. So what you do, you just take this out, put it somewhere, and then you just, ta-da, just like that, you have the filters here already. You can bring them out and you can change the filters. Please note, change this filter every 6 months, which is very important for the health of this water purifier also, and for your own self. And then of course this nozzle here, I was reading the manual, so they said sometimes you can actually clean this nozzle as well with the toothbrush or something. If you have clean toothbrush, you can just clean it up once in 2 months time. And then at the back of it, if you guys can see, they have also provided all the instructions to how to actually replace the filter itself. So I think it's very easy to maintain. That's one of the key of this water purifier, that you don't have to bother about a lot of things and you can actually change filters easily and maintain it accordingly. Though this one doesn't require any much of the maintenance, but in case you're wondering, it's very simple to do. And when it comes to the water purifier itself, they use 4 steps of filtering the water. So they have the pre-multi-carbon filter, which is the filter 1, and the filter 2, what they have is the post-UF carbon filter. So for the step 1, it removes sediments, rust and other particles, so that your water definitely tastes nicer. And then the step 2, it of course removes the chlorine and VOCs, odors and other impurities. So after it done with that part, it goes to the step 3, which removes bacteria, viruses, which is the most important thing here. And of course the step 4 removes residual particles while improving the taste of the water. So we can always utilize the tap waters. Of course, Singapore water is very safe to drink, but of course there's always an option for the extra purification. So that's why you utilize it. When it comes to water purifiers, for me specifically, there was past experiences that I do get like this taste of it, like a little bit of a weird taste, water coming from the water purifier. There are many reasons behind it. Maybe the filters are too old, or the whole tank or everything might have bacteria, all that. But in this one so far, it's been almost a month I'm using it, so I do not have any issues, and the water tastes definitely very nice. So of course, to keep the similar taste, keep it clean and always sanitize it. So these are all the benefits or nice things about this water purifier. There are few things I must say which I don't like, or I wish they have those features. My biggest one is the volume. Okay, there's 120, 250, 500 and of course 1 liter, right, which we mentioned. But my favorite one last time is 170 milliliters. That's the perfect water for my coffee cup, which I use. So what I have to do now, every time I have to put it on 250, pour the water and wait for it to be done until 170 and manually turn off. I wish they have more functionality so I can adjust this by myself. So, but it's not a deal breaker. The one more thing I wish they have, more color options. Please, EuropAce, bring more color options. Though white looks very sleek and nice, goes very well. But imagine black, 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 that would be nice. So I hope guys I have covered most of the amazing things about this purifier. Really enjoying it. So if you guys want to know more about it, I'll be dropping all the links in the description of this video. And if there are any discount codes available, you'll be able to find the description of the video as well. And if you have any questions, you can always let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply you guys. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for all the upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.